Crude oil started off the week on a slightly flat note. We have seen it erasing some of the gains and moving all the way towards 66.3. While it is natural gas, which is beautifully moved towards 4.93. What a massive move it is shown with the week beginning and now trying to erase some of the gains. Can we expect this trend to continue? Can we expect oil to drop further and gas to rise? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and the next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Firstly, on the early charts, if we look at the movement in crude, rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. The move is pretty clear, and thus now if you see it is staying above 66.8, 67 zone, which is the first resistance zone. You can initiate a buy, expect it to move towards 66, 67.3, 67.6. These are the two levels which oil need to break, and the most important one is going to be towards all the way towards 68.4, 68.6. Any breakout in oil prices beyond 68.4, 68.6 is a confirmation of further rally all the way towards 70.3, 70.6. Do watch this. The stochastic is starting to rise while the MACD has crossed over and it is right now trading. Not a good sign for the bulls here. It is still looking downwards. The RSI is trading comfortable, not showing any much signs. Look at the 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, what's happening? 20 period moving average giving it a little resistance, and you can see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. So at least the prices should move somewhere towards 67.8, 68 zone. But for this to happen, lot many hurdles to break past by 66.8, 67 is the first one which is going to offer a greater resistance. The stochastic here is oversold, which calls for a recovery. The MACD is already retracing, but it has not crossed over for sell. It is right now still in green, and it has lot much of scope available on the upside. The RSI is trying to bounce back. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at similar observations, see this, a flat base is created and trying to bounce back. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 66.8, 67 zone, which should be a good confirmation of further bullishness. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold, and this calls for a recovery here. While the MACD after the crossover is trading in green and not willing to look back. See, it has converged but not yet crossed over, and this is also a double bottom. I will wait for this threshold to be taken in order to confirm a breakout, which suggests that yes, 66.8, 67 should be a very good resistance, and then all the way towards 67.6 and then towards 68.4, 68.5. 3 levels it needs to break in order to confirm the reversal here. RSI trying to look upwards. On the 4 hour charts also similar observation, nothing different. Rise, retracement, and again trying to bounce back. And as in how it breaks beyond 68.4, 68.5 is where you can look forward to a reversal. Notice the formation here. This is how it has been trading, and now it is pretty important for oil to break beyond 68.5, 68.4 zone. The stochastic is at bottom, the MACD rising after the crossover at the bottom, trading bullish, looking upwards, RSI looking upwards as well. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, look at these 4 candles, and a reversal sign has appeared since then. Price had tried to retrace. However, now again starting off on a bearish, you can see a bit of consolidation here. I'll wait for it to either trade below 66, that is the only point below which you can expect it to drop further, else above 67 is where the bulls will take over. Right now it is precisely positioned at the median 66.5 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has seen a good hit. It has traded bearish. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. It is not that it cannot drop further, but I will wait for this to cross over, because see, after every retracement there has to be a reversal here. So that is what we should wait for. The RSI is already trading at bottom. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to provide you the levels, and before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 66.8 levels. Expect it to move towards 67.3 and then 67.6. This is the first zone which is going to offer a maximum resistance. Beyond this, I will look forward to 68 and then 68.4, 68.5. Now once these levels are taken, ideally I will be looking forward to 70.5 levels, but yes, 69.3 should be the first resistance beyond this. So this is on the buy side. On the sell side now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 66.2 levels, or rather 66 levels. 66.2, 66 zone, if it takes, then you can take or stay with the sells. Expect 65.75, 65.5, and then 65 levels. Though I am still looking forward to a bounce back, but right now the momentum is not very much supportive. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Below 65, it is going to deliver a massive down move all the way towards 63.5, 62. Chances for which appears to be less. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural. Net gas started the week on a gap up, and see all the way it has moved towards 4.93 levels. Massive move. After the rise, it is now trying to erase some of the gains, trying to trade with bearishness, or trying to stay in. Any move above 4.7 should be a good indication of further. So far, notice what it has done. After the rise, it has retraced, taken the support, and now bouncing back higher highs. Now, when you connect the slope here, the next highs are all the way upwards towards 5 and 5.2 zone. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has seen a very good rise, very sharp rise here, and it is now trying to erase some of the gains. It is trying to converge, though not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. On the 2 hour charts, when you look at signs are not supportive, reversal sign, it is also outside bulling up and trying to erase some of the gains. I will recommend, if you see it staying below 4.62, you can take a sell, but then 4.58, 4.55, and 4.5 levels. And it is possible that it would try to erase the gains from this candle, move all the way towards 4.5, or in fact fill the gap all the way towards 4.4 to 4.44 zone. Let's wait for this to happen. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over for a buy, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is staying overbought here. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at, see, it is outside bulling up and showing a reversal, diminishing bearishness, or you can say diminishing bullishness here, trying to erase some of the gains. Once it trades below 4.62, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 4.58, 4.5455, and then 4.5. Very good support at 4.5 exists. Notice the movement here, rise, retracement, and then this is the breakout. So this is ideally a bullish breakout here. The highs for the channel are far beyond on the upside towards $5 levels. The stochastic has gone to an overbought zone. The MACD has again crossed over for a buy, looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. The rise, the retracement, and trying to break out here. A gap is seen here, and this gap is all the way from 4.4 to 44 zone to 4.5 zone. This is the zone which it would like to fill if it tries to move downward. And notice, not necessary. This is net gas. All the gaps are not meant to be filled. We have seen this, that you can see when it was at high, the $10 level, there are multiple gaps on the smaller time frames yet to be filled. But yesterday, what we had seen, a stronger rise is seen. It is trying to offset some of the gains here. See, the moving averages 20 period has come towards 4.4 levels, and the 50 period is at 4.2, and now it is trading in this channel. The lows of the channel somewhere here in between this zone only. The stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. Look at the MACD, crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to on the daily charts, what has happened? Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and then this breakout has appeared. Also notice this is coming after a bit of consolidation here. See these four candles, lower highs, lower lows. A nice flag was formed, and this is given a breakout. Now after the breakout, it is starting off on a bullish note here again, and leaving the gap here till towards 4.4 to behind. Now any move below 4 is the only confirmation of reversal. As long as net gas stays above 4, there is no reversal. It is trying to trade bullish. A stochastic near to top, the MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards, the RSI is rising. So now looking at this, when you see the higher price in net gas below 4.62, that is the only level below which you can sell. Expect 4.58, 4.54, and 4.5. Three key levels here. Below this, you can expect 4.44, 4.42 levels to be there very, very soon. Appears difficult looking at the move what we had seen with the beginning of the week here, but yes, a little retracement is possible. On the upside now, I'll recommend a buying entry at 4.68 levels, expected to move towards 4.72 and then 4.8. If it trades above 4.8, this time possibility will be very, very high that we may see net gas moving all the way towards $5 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That gives you a fair bit of idea on what to expect with the US session from these two commodities, because the US session adds on to the volatility here. So do watch that. See you again before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.